The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for ARK Innovation ETF with the ticker symbol ARKK. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Just a reminder, guys, I do have a course sale running right now. It's 50% off my technical analysis course, and the link is in the video description below. And also, this viewer did leave a large donation where I'll be looking at ARK for the next 5 weeks. So that previous donator donated a large sum for TLT, but I'll probably no longer be doing that. I'll be looking at ARK pretty much every Saturday for the next 5 weeks. So let's take a look at ARK Innovation. So last time I looked at this, prices were trading right here at the $40 level. I did my analysis on January 29th, and you can see that at the 40 level we saw a little pullback on Monday, and then the rest of the week we rallied all the way up to the $45 level. So I think I was pretty bullish on ARK even then, and we rallied pretty much another 10 to 12% from that point on. But it looks like we're seeing a little pullback occur, and I see lower prices first before higher prices. So let's go over the chart, and let's put the macro pattern on here first. This is very important to put the macro pattern. So it looks like there's strong support. There was strong support at this level right here at the 35 level, and it looks like there's strong resistance at the maybe a little bit lower, so possibly at the 47. So this looks like the range pattern that prices are respecting. You know, it could be debatable on where the highs and lows are, but this is fitting pretty good right here. So it looks like 34 is probably the lows, highs, you know, above 46, 47. So this is the range pattern. So prices broke the top of the range, and that's why we had a break on the bottom. So now prices failed to continue lower outside of this breakout, and we trapped in a bunch of shorts, and we're rallying from this $29 level. So we can probably draw a trend now. So this is the trend that prices are respecting. You can see it's fitting pretty good against the price action right here. And you know, we did see a little possible overshoot, but not by much. So this is telling me we should see a big reversal, or excuse me, a big pullback take place any second now. You can see that we're finding resistance at the top of this channel, and we're far away from the EMA, and we just hit a measured move target. So this is the first leg higher, second leg. So you know, we just hit the measured move. Maybe the measured move was something like this. Either way, we just reached it. You can see the tip of this arrow marks the top, and that's where we started seeing these bearish candles come in the chart. So we hit the top of the channel, we reached the measured move target, and we're far away from the EMA, which is right over here at the $38.11 level. So a pullback is definitely coming sometime very soon. You know, that's how I would be playing it. Even though it does look like prices are attempting to reach the top side of this range at the $47 level, and possibly even a breakout to the low to mid 50s, somewhere over here. Me personally, to get in a move like this, you gotta wait for a pullback, and that's how I was taught. So I'll be expecting a decent sized pullback, maybe all the way to the 38. I mean, that might be too large, but I'm expecting something like that to occur, a decent sized pullback, maybe retest the $40 level before going higher. So that's me personally. I think we're gonna probably see a pullback. That's more likely to occur than just continue straight up. We could just continue straight up from here, you know, inside this orange channel, but a pullback would be nice for getting that second leg higher, because all this is currently just one massive leg. So whatever that pullback stops to, which I think it will, and we're going to continue higher, the measure move target will be the next leg up. So we'll have to wait and see. That's a little too far away, but basically we had one large leg, we had two legs up in the smaller term, and this will make one large leg up in the future. Expecting a pullback to occur. We could pull back to the 40, 55, and even possibly lower to the 38. I don't think we get to the 38, but it is a possibility. And then from there, I'm expecting continuation to the upside to the top of this range, and possibly even seeing a breakout occur to rally out of this range. So That's how I'm looking at ARK Innovation. Let's take a look at the weekly chart now. Here's the weekly chart for ARK Innovation. You can see that this was a very key breakout right here that failed. This was the support at the 35.66 level on the weekly chart. Support here in 2018, support here in 2020. We came back and double tested it, rallied higher, came back again. We started consolidating at this level. We saw a failed breakout, was trapped in a bunch of shorts thinking we were going to go lower, probably to the 22 level. It failed. Now we saw the massive reversal take place. So it looks like shorts are getting squeezed. They're getting trapped. Prices were in this downtrend channel, but it looks like the downtrend has played out, at least in the short term. So this is the downtrend channel the prices were inside of. We just saw the break of it and two legs down to new low. So this is the first leg down. Second leg down was targeting, like I said before, the $20 level. Failed to reach it, and whenever we fail to reach a measure move, we're going to probably reverse strongly in the opposite direction, because it tells me that the bears were weak. Looks like the bulls are strong, rallied higher. We closed above the EMA for the second week so far, versus in the past we couldn't close above it at all. So this is looking very bullish. I'm expecting this high to be taken out right over here at the 55 level. So right around this 54, 55 level, I'm expecting this swing right here to be taken out. And it also coincides with a decent size, actually even just the first pullback on the Fibonacci, which is the 236, which is at the 52.27. So we're going to be seeing some type of pullback occur, a decent size one. You can see in this downtrend right here, we pull back 50%. You can see that we retraced 50% in this down move right here. So basically the market is just due for a decent sized pullback. So that would, just the first one would take us to the 52.50. If we get a 50%, that's up to the 78. We'll have to wait and see if it's that bullish. But as right now, I'm seeing a short squeeze. I'm seeing, at least a little bit more higher prices, and then we'll analyze what it wants to do from there. But in the short term, I'd be expecting a pullback. And if it holds, we're going to probably get another second leg higher to the top of this swing right here. So that's what looking like can occur for ARK Innovation. So that's all I have for ARK Innovation this week, Saturday, and I'll see you guys next week, Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.